Hello everyone and welcome to Stardesk, where I review the latest and greatest in gaming hardware. Today I am going to tell you why you should not buy the RTX 4060 Ti 16GB, the new graphics card from Nvidia that promises to deliver ray tracing, DLSS 3 and AI accelerated gaming with ADA lawless architecture. But is it really worth the hype and the price? Here are 5 reasons why you should avoid the RTX 4060 Ti 16GB and look for other options. First reason, it is expensive. The RTX 4060 Ti 16GB has a starting price of nearly 500, which is higher than many other graphics card in the market. For example, the RTX 3060 12GB has a starting price of $299. This graphics card can offer decent performance for most games and applications, and it is much more affordable than the RTX 4060 Ti 16GB. Unless you have a very high budget and need the best possible performance, you might want to consider a cheaper alternative that suits your needs and budget. Second reason, it is overkill. The 16GB RTX 4060 Ti is designed for high-end gaming and creative applications that require ray tracing, DLSS 3 and other advanced features. It has 4352 CUDA cores, a 2.54 GHz boost clock and 16GB of GDDR6 VRAM. These specifications make it one of the most powerful graphics card available, and it can run the latest games and software at the highest settings and resolutions. However, unless you are planning to play the latest games at the highest settings or use demanding softwares, you might not need such a powerful graphics card. Most games and applications can run smoothly and look great on lower end graphics card such as the Nvidia RTX 3060 or the AMD RX 6800. These graphics cards have lower specifications, but they are still capable of delivering excellent performance and quality, same as 4060 Ti for most users. You might want to choose a less powerful graphics card instead of the RTX 4060 Ti 16GB, which is overkill for most users. Third, it is power hungry. The RTX 4060 Ti 16GB graphics card has a TDP of 165 watt, which means it consumes a lot of electricity and generates a lot of heat. This means that you will need a good power supply and cooling system to run this graphics card smoothly and safely. A good power supply will ensure that your system has enough power to run the graphic card and other components, and it will also protect your system from power surges and fluctuations. A good cooling system will ensure that your graphics card and other components do not overheat and damage your system. You will need to invest in a high quality power supply and cooling system, which will add to the cost and complexity of your system. You might want to choose a more energy efficient graphics card instead of the RTX 4060 Ti 16GB, which is power hungry. Fourth reason, it is scarce. The RTX 4060 Ti 16GB graphics card is in high demand and low supply due to the global chip shortage and the cryptocurrency mining craze. This means that it is very hard to find this graphics card in stock, and if you do, you might have to pay a premium price or deal with scalpers and bots. The global chip shortage on the cryptocurrency mining craze have affected the availability and price of graphics cards, especially the RTX 4060 Ti 16GB. The chip shortage is caused by various factors such as the COVID-19 pandemic, the US-China trade war, the increased demand of electronics, and the limited production capacity of chip manufacturers. The cryptocurrency mining craze is caused by the rising popularity and value of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which can be mined using graphics cards. These factors have created a situation where the demand for graphics card exceeds the supply, and the prices are inflated by scalpers and bots who buy and resell the graphics card for profit. You might want to look for a more available graphics card instead of the RTX 4060 Ti 16GB graphics card, which is scarce. Fifth and main reason, it is soon outdated. The RTX 4060 Ti is based on the Nvidia ADA lawless architecture, which is the second generation of the Nvidia Ampere architecture. However, Nvidia is already working on the next generation of graphics cards codenamed Nvidia Hopper, which will use a new architecture and technology. This means that the RTX 4060 Ti might become obsolete in the near future as newer and better graphics card will be released. Nvidia Hopper is expected to use a new technology called multi-chip module (MCM), which will combine multiple GPU dies on a single package, resulting in higher performance and efficiency. Nvidia Hopper is also expected to support PCI Express 5.0, which will offer faster data transfer rates and lower latency. This feature will make NVIDIA Hopper a significant improvement over NVIDIA Ada Lovelace, and it will likely outperform the RTX 4060 Ti. You might want to wait for a new generation of graphics card instead of the RTX 4060 Ti, which is soon outdated. These are some of the reasons to not buy a RTX 4060 Ti 16GB graphics card instead of other graphics card. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again shortly. Till the time, goodbye.